Welcome to my new series, A Digital Unboxing, where we unbox a tool, product or service that helps new clothing brands start, scale, or just improve their business. Today, we are going to be unboxing a tool called Genpire, and I'm really excited to be unboxing this tool for you today because I feel like it's going to be incredibly useful for brand new clothing brands looking to start. And even for my clothing brand, I definitely think it's going to help improve my workflow. I'm going to have Genpire linked in my description, so definitely click the link and check it out. So what does Genpire actually do? Genpire is an AI platform that's going to help us clothing brand owners turn ideas into actual product design. This is definitely helpful for a person like me that had absolutely no experience in clothing design. Genpire is also going to help you generate factory ready tech packs. So what I'm gauging is that Genpire will basically be able to take your idea, maybe a thought that you have in your mind, and get it into production all on one platform, which I feel like is pretty cool. But we're gonna dive into this together. We are going to unbox this together and really see what it's all about. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Taddy G, and on this channel I like to share what it's truly like to run a clothing brand, as well as dropping tips, tricks, gems, and all of that good stuff. Let me clip you guys here. I hope you can still hear me. I'm gonna grab my laptop. So we are on the Genpire platform and I have already created my account. We are on the home page and it's asking me, what do I want to make today? If I scroll down, you can see that it's got a bunch of templates that I can get started with. These are my agents. So we've got our planner, designer, technical, sourcing, and then the creative. That's quite cool that it's able to help us create some marketing assets and campaign visuals. So it's basically like a full-on package. I feel like that's quite cool. Over here we also have some connectors. This is quite useful. So I'm able to connect my Shopify, my Wix, my Adobe Illustrator, and Pinterest. So let's go back to the home page. Now we need to decide what we're going to design together, guys. I feel like I don't want to upload a design because I really want to see what this platform can actually do for us. So I'm actually just going to work with a prompt only. I am not going to upload a design. I want to see what this platform is going to be able to generate from the prompt that I put in it. So my prompt so far is a women's loungewear set, 100% silk twill fabric in a baby blue and white pattern fabric that mimics the sky and clouds. The top will be a button-up short-sleeved shirt. The bottoms will have an elasticated weight and a straight leg fit. And I think that's it for my prompt. Now over here it says improve with AI, so I'm going to click that and see what it does to my prompt. And this is what it's done for my prompt. So I am quite excited to see what it creates based on this prompt. So I'm going to click here where it says create product. So Genpire has come back and is asking me some questions, which I appreciate. So the first question is, for the button-up shirt, what style of buttons would best complement the luxurious feel of the silk twill fabric? I've got 4 options here, and I think I want to go with mother of pearl button for a classic look. How would you like the elasticated waist and the pants to be designed? I'm not sure how that's going to look, but let's take a risk and go with exposed elastic band. What type of hem finish would you prefer for the pants to enhance their elegance? Let's go with a standard straight hem for a clean look. Yes. Generate the sizes. This is the size guide that it has generated for me. It's given me the opportunity to review the size guide, and I can go in and adjust these numbers should I so wish. Let's keep it as that and click here where it says let's design it. I am quite nervous, but I'm also quite excited to see the creativity. One thing I've been struggling with when it comes to my clothing brand is actually coming up with brand new designs for things. And here we go. That is looking quite good. Over here, I am able to edit the design. I want to add my logo. So over here, my prompt is, can you add this logo in a faded white as a diagonal print all over the design? Let me change that to fabric. I also want it to make the clouds look less cloud-like. Then I'm gonna go ahead and click here. I'm nervous. So over here it's asked me a question and I'm gonna say cover the entire product, and I'm gonna send that. Now, as you can see, it has understood my prompt as to add in the logo. So I'm gonna approve and generate all views. This is the back view and this is the side view. I'm really happy with the way this product is looking already. So now I'm going to click over here where it says continue to specs, and this is the important document that is going to go to the manufacturer so that they can actually create this product for me. So over here it's giving me my product weight. The intended use is not sleepwear, it is just loungewear, but I'm able to just go ahead and edit that. Down here it has extracted the Pantone color. Materials detected is inaccurate, so I'm just going to go ahead and change that back to silk twill and change this to 100% mulberry silk. Over here it's got my points of measurements, so I can actually go ahead and click here and generate the flat sketch for my design. And as you can see here, it has generated the flat sketch of this design, and it's gone ahead and highlighted what the pattern somewhat looks like. If I carry on scrolling, I can generate some additional technical sketches, individual components, some close-ups, and the print file. So we've got the technical sketches generating, we've got the component images generating, and we've got the close-up shots generating too. So if I click into this, this is basically my construction details. It's given us more information about this particular garment, and it's also got the measurements marked out on the garment here. Guys, I just love that. I actually haven't had to do anything. In terms of components, it has generated what the fabric will look like. And over here it has some close-ups of the garment, and I just feel like that looks incredible. Look at that finish. It actually looks like the real version of my garment. The last thing we need to do is generate the product label. So I'm actually going to just generate it with AI. So in here I'm able to pop in my brand name. Here it's already generated the fabric details. Down here I can add any additional information that might be useful for the garment label, and I can just go ahead and generate that label. This is what the label looks like. I typically spend like ages in Adobe Illustrator putting this together, and it's just generated it just like that. I'm gonna definitely be using that label. Here we can also generate the hang tag. Up here I've got the option to download the summary. This is what the summary of this particular garment looks like. So we've got the main page here that describes the product along with my prompt that I added, and then we've got our point of measurements page here. Now my product is ready to go, and the great thing about Genpire is that it doesn't stop there. I can actually go ahead and start getting quotes for this product. I could click here and say get a quote, or I can go ahead and share it with the supplier that I already have. So I'm gonna actually click get a quote. In here I just need to fill out the details, what kind of shipping method I would be, and whether or not it is my first time manufacturing. And then over here I could just go ahead, submit a sample request, and hopefully wake up tomorrow morning and have quotations from different suppliers. There's a little note here that's saying that this is fulfilled by our vetted manufacturer network. Each factory is pre-qualified with verified experience in products like yours, an average rating of 4.7. So not only has Genpire helped me produce my tech pack, it's also going to help me find a manufacturer that is going to be able to produce this particular garment, which is absolutely incredible. It is a platform that has captured everything that I would need in order to take my idea into production and hopefully have a sample here that I can unbox. I don't know about you guys, but I am very, very impressed with Genpire. That was my first impressions. It is very user-friendly. Even when I had to type in my prompt, I could easily just click the button where it actually goes ahead and improves my prompt for me. So I don't even have to do too much. So I am really, really impressed with that platform. I am going to have it linked in my description, so definitely check it out because things are getting easier these days, guys. If a platform like this existed back when I started my clothing brand, and it takes my product from an idea to production with vetted manufacturers, I probably would have designed a lot more collections, and I probably wouldn't have lost a lot of money when it comes to manufacturing and finding manufacturers. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this unboxing series. I definitely feel like I'm gonna have many more unboxings for you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my very next video.